G'day all, so in this example here we're going to be using our angle sum equation and we're going to be finding unknowns within different polygons, okay? So we're going to be working through this. So firstly we have our equation for an angle sum. So the angle sum of all the interior angles is equal to 180 and that's multiplied by the number of sides minus 2. Okay, which is just there. So that's our angle sum equation. So we'll work that out for our first example here. So our angle sum here. This here is equal to 180 and it's time our number of sides. So we just need to count the sides. We've got, I'll just do this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got 5 minus 2. So this equals 180 times 3. So 180 times 3 gives us a value of 540 degrees is what the total is equal to. Okay, so this example here, I'll just get rid of all these little lines. So this example here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 values and we just don't know the value of the fifth angle. So there's only one unknown angle that we don't know, so we can just minus everything from 540. So to find out A, we do 540 and we just take away all the values that we know. 15, take away 145, take away 110, take away, I have to do this on the next line, which is kind of annoying, but anyway, take away 55. Okay, so we do all that there, and this will give us a value of 215 degrees once you've calculated it. Okay, so this is the way of how you actually figure out these unknown angles in any type of polygon. It's just applying this first sum rule. Okay, so that's example A. B is slightly different. We aren't given any angles. So how are we supposed to figure them out? So with this, we need to look at what information have they given us. Always think that when you're given a question. Not often they'll give you one where you can't work it out. Oh, let's get out of that. So with this, they've given you the information that these little lines here, this shows that all sides are the same. So if all the sides are equal, what does this tell us about our angles? It tells us that all the angles have to be equal as well. So all we need to do for this one is figure out our total interior sum of the angles. So we just use our equation. We've got 6 sides, so it's going to be S is equal to 180 multiplied by 6 minus 2. So it's going to equal 180 times 4. So then here we have a value of 720 degrees is going to be the total. So we have how many angles inside of our shape. So if we have 6 sides, you can always just double check this again. So we've got one angle here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A, which is 6. So if we've got 6 angles and all of them are the same, we can actually just divide this by 6. So A is going to equal 720 divided by 6. And this gives us a value of 120 degrees. So just make sure there was not much information given in that question, but it is still easy, well, relatively easy to figure it out once you break down what information they've given you and what that actually means. Okay? So our next example, we still haven't finished this. We've got to find B as well. So this here, they've extended that line so it's a straight line. So A and B are supplementary to each other. Ooh, something weird happened with my S again. So this just means that they add up to make 180. So to figure out angle B, all we need to do is 180 take away A, which is 120. So this will give us 60 degrees. Change, don't know what happened there. I'll write that out again. So this gives us 60 degrees. So just make sure when you are faced with these equations, especially the second one, okay, that you do break down the information that is given to you, that all side lengths are the same. Then you just need to think if all side lengths are the same, that means all the angles inside have got to be the same as well. Alright? So this is how you can break down these types of questions. So hopefully this helps with solving polygon problems and finding interior angles of these. So good luck.